Horses. Do we really know them? What relationship do we have with them? A Horse Called Horse is the story of Maja, a little girl who, by herself, discovers the essence of having a rapport with her horse. Tenderness, child's play, listening are the tools she uses in the relationship with her horse. An adventure through Italy, from the ancient hills of Tuscany to the plains of the oldest cowboys in the world. A journey into the world of the horse, to discover the truth about this animal. Does a horse like to jump? When it lands, it has to absorb the thrust of 4 tons on just one leg, with its rear legs bending to full capacity. Repetitive trauma. Does a horse like to run? It runs when it is just 18 months old, inflicting serious injuries to its still growing body. Many suffer emotional trauma. Horses run, but maybe they're just running away from us. A horse has its own language that is learned from its mother as soon as it's born. It knows sensitive spots, areas barely touched that allow them to communicate with others. We could therefore relate to the horse in a different way, but we prefer a more obvious approach. There is, however, a delicate, intimate reality that children are especially able to grasp. A Horse Called Horse is the story of one little girl who has such a gift, and who in the end decides to let her horse go free.